Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel. Now my channel is all about making money online and for me to help you guys to make money online. Now there are loads of people out there. I get emails every single day from people who just say, Bobby, I just want to make $5 or $10 a day and that will have a massive impact on my life. Well, I am here to help you guys, all right? And I give you the best methods to make money. Now, the video I'm going to show you today is all around Fiverr. I know most of you have heard of it. It is one of the best platforms there are to make super easy money. And I'm going to show you 3 of the best gigs you can sell on Fiverr. And these are the 3 gigs that I made $6,000 with. And I'm going to show you exactly my account. I'm going to show you how I made $6,000 and I'm going to show you the gigs. All right. And then I'm going to show you a quick way of doing it that will double your income and double the speed that you do it as we go on in the video. So guys, keep watching. I'm not going to ask you to do anything else. We're just going to crack on with it right now. So guys, this is the Fiverr channel. I'm going to show you the 3 best gigs that you can sell. And like I said, the 3 gigs that made me $6,000. Now this is my account. So let's go to switch to, no, it's there, I think. Dashboard. I'm going to quickly show you this to show you that I know what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is my account. I've made £5,130. That's $6,400. I've done 959 orders. My average selling price is £6.90. Okay, my response rate's 100%. Completion rate 100%. You know, I do everything as quickly as I can. And there you go. I've made $6,436. These are my ratings. 524 people have rated me out of 959 reviews, which is really high. And there's a reason for that. 480 of them, 88 of them 5-star. Okay. There's a few negative ones. You always get them. Don't even worry about it. These are the countries I've sold to. 29% of the world. 51 sales in Canada, 530 in the United States, Venezuela, Nicaragua, Brazil, Argentina, South Africa, Botswana, Nigeria, Morocco, Spain, Ireland. For some reason, the United Kingdom's not coming up. 173 in the United Kingdom, Russia. So you can see that this works worldwide. You can do this absolutely anywhere in the world, guys, and you can make money like I can. All right, it is not difficult to make money on Fiverr. And like I said, as we go through the training, there is a very quick way of doing this that I'll come to in a second, so keep watching. Right, let's move on. So we're back on the Fiverr dashboard. Now, like I said, I'm not hanging around here today. I just want to get straight to it because I know you guys want to make some money. So the first gig that I used to use to make me money is backlinks. Don't worry if you don't know anything about backlinks, right? I'm going to show you what you need to do. So these are some examples of backlinks. This guy here, I will provide 60 to 75 backlinks, £40. He's done 5 of them, right? He's made £200. This one does £159. It's done 112 orders. I will rank your website. I will publish high quality posts, 31. This guy's done 1,000 products at £306 a go. That is some serious money. Now it's over £30,000. So let's go to some of the lower ones because that's what we're looking at here. 2, 5. Let's do that. Okay, so this guy here, you know, I will build 85 unique domain SEO backlinks. He's done over 1,000 at £3.98. That's £4,000 he's made in that amount of time. Now, like I said, you don't know anything about backlinks, nor do I. But so what we're going to do, we're going to go over to this website, SEOclerks.com. There's a link below this video for Fiverr to sign up and SEO Clerks, all right? You can sign up there. This is a website, SEO Clerks, where you can get work done very, very cheaply. And we're going to act as a middleman. We're going to order from here, deliver on Fiverr. So I cut and pasted. I went back to here and I highlighted 85 unique domain SEO. All we're going to do is paste that in there and see what comes up. Okay, So it does take 10 seconds to do a search. So I've just cut and pasted 85 unique domain SEO, put it in there, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to find the cheapest one on here. Now, actually, these ones are all quite expensive, but you know, there's a guy on here for $3. Where's he gone? I just saw him there, $3. So this is exactly the same as what this guy is doing. Okay, he charges $3. Now, this guy charges $23 for the standard and premium 55. So you don't have to charge $3. You could charge $6 for that, and you're buying it for $3. You see where I'm going? Buy for $3, sell for $6, double your money. So you'd get your order on here. You'd go to SEO Clerks and order it. They deliver it. You copy and paste the delivery URL or Excel spreadsheet normally, and you post it to your buyer. You do need on Fiverr to make yourself a nice graphic like this one. You can easily do that on canva.com or get somebody on Fiverr to make it for $5 and put yourself a nice description. Most of the descriptions you can just copy off here. Don't copy them exactly. Yeah, you can copy these fine. Don't copy them exactly because you'll get banned, but just change them around. All right, that is the first one. Backlinks. Big money to be made in backlinks and super easy. The next one I used to do, SEO reports. People love websites and they want to know how their website's performing. So these guys do it here. £15.94. He's done 1,000. This guy here, 55. He's done 19. £4. He's done 323. Let's have a look at this. So he's got a nice little video there. Videos get you more views and a higher ranking. And there's a little bit about the gig. Again, he sells it for $3.98, $7.97, $47. We go over to SEO Clerks. We find one here. I will do a report so we can default this to low to high. Low to high. Create a detailed report for $1. You know, this guy's got a 77 rating, so we know it's good. He'll create it for $1. You're selling it for $5. You're going to make $3 per one. Doesn't sound a lot, but you do 323. It's $900 for 10 seconds of work. Okay, I hope you can see where this is going, guys. Really simple things. Right, on to the third gig. I told you I'm not hanging around today. Third one, the most easiest one, web traffic. People need web traffic. They're desperate for it. Okay, desperate for traffic. You can easily do this. So let's just knock this down again. I'll keep doing £5 just because it's a good one to look at. There's a lot of gigs are listed at £5. So I will drive real traffic. I will drive real traffic. I will drive real traffic. Go over to here. Do a search. Type in real traffic. Hit enter. So having a little think about it. And here we come back. 50,000 visitors for $2. 45,000 real visitors for $2. Let's have a look at this. Yeah, looks good. It's got 23 ratings, so that's all good. Have a read of this, make sure it sounds good. It does. 45 social media real views. Go back here. He's charging what, $1? You can easily charge $5, $10 for that. I'd charge $10 personally, and you're going to make $7 or $8 per one. You know, there's some big numbers here. You know, 19, 430. He's done 1,000. You know, big money to be made, guys. All right. That is your 3 best gigs that you can use. Now, I said there's an easy way of doing it. I'm going to come on to that now. Just before we do that, guys, if you could do me a huge favor, if you could hit the subscribe button for me, and if you could just hit that bell notification, and even better, leave a comment about this video. Leave a comment about this Fiverr video, and I will happily answer it. If you've got any questions, put them below, and I'll answer them for you live on Facebook. But if you can hit the subscribe, I would appreciate it. Now, let's go on to the next bit. So as you know, I made $6,000 on Fiverr, and I've put together a full course on how I done it, and it's called Fiverlicious. I've sold over 2,500 copies of this. I'm doing it on a special offer today for you guys. It's normally $17. I'm doing it for $9.97. In this, you get 8 videos, over-the-shoulder videos made by me on how I made $6,000. I show you the gigs that I made, how to make them, how to do the levels, how to get customers, what you're going to be doing wrong, what to do right. I show you everything over the shoulder on how to make money on Fiverr. Have a look at this review here. The link is below. There's great reviews on there. There's loads of reviews, really positive response. If you join up, I've got a Facebook page that we can help each other out. Everyone asks questions on it, and there are some massive success stories on it. People are making money all the time. So that is it. There's your 3 best methods. If you really want to make this a full-time business, which you can, guys, grab a copy of Fiverrlicious,